Micheál Martin is now tied with Social Democrats leader Holly Cairns as the most popular party leader in the country, with the cost of living skyrocketing as the key issue for voters as the war in Iran enters its second month. The latest Sunday Independent Ireland Thinks poll shows the Taoiseach and Fianna Fáil leader has seen his support for his party rise by 1 point to 19%, as the government continues to grapple with the crisis ahead of launching a public awareness campaign aimed at reducing energy usage. Sinn Féin remains the most popular party in the country on 22%, but its support is unchanged from last month, despite being the most vocal opposition party on the cost of living issue. Fine Gael also remains unchanged on 17%, with party leader Taoiseach Simon Harris seeing his personal support rise by 1 point. The findings indicate that while the government has received no major bounce in support as a result of its response to the war after rolling out a €250 million response package, the coalition has suffered minimal damage with few gains for the opposition parties. Support for Ms Cairns and Sinn Féin leader Mary Lou McDonald has in fact dropped by 2 points each, with Mr Martin seeing a 2-point rise in his approval rating among voters. Labour leader Fianna Fáil has seen her support drop by 1 point to 31%. However, cost of living is now by far the biggest issue for the public at 53%, a 10-point jump on last month before the US and Israel ordered strikes on Iran. The government is expected to feel further pressure in the weeks ahead as price rises continue to bite.